What's that?
Oh, no! My livelihood caught on fire!
Morphle, morph into a fire truck!
Oh, thank you so much, Mila and Morphle. I have no clue how that fire started.
What's that sound?
Oh, no! The cornfield caught on fire, too! It's popcorn everywhere! Oh! What on earth is causing all these fires?
Look, it's a dragon! It caught the flu and it's sneezing. Fire!
And it's heading for the city!
Uh-oh! After it, Morphle! Look, Morphle! The dragon is close to the hospital. Dr. Abraham, there's a sick dragon in the city.
Oh, no! Hey there, big fella. I've got some medicine for you. This is the Magic Pet Graph. It can change the way gravity works for all the things it zaps.
Oh, can you change my gravity graph? Great!
Oh, that's great. Whoa! It's great to look at things from a different perspective. I've changed my mind about so many things right now. We'll take this.
With the power of this magic pet, we will be the Gravity Bandits!
We need to stop them, Morphle.
Oh, hello there, Spider.
We need to catch up with them. Morph into a kangaroo, Morphle.
Look, Yorn. What is... Oh, no! Hold on, Barky!
Oh no! We need to help him, Morphle. Morph into a crane.
Phew. Thank you.
We'll stop the bandits, Mr. Vanderboos.
Why is the bridge? Oh no, the brake stopped working!
Morph into a spider so you can stop the bus with a web.
Oh, thank you, Morphle.
Oh no! Help! Oh no! It's Sarah! We need need to bring her house down again. Morph into an airplane. Now tie those trees together over the house so it can't fall into the sky anymore. Phew! Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
Oh no! Look, Stein!
How about we change your gravity again?
Now we need to fly up to them.
Uh-oh!
We're sorry. Now can you get us down again?
Graph, can you change the gravity of everything else back again?
Please, don't get any closer. Phew. Now that spider can't reach. Ah! Oh, that was quite a day, Stein.
It sure was, Jorn. Let's go to bed.
But Stein,
Yeah?
our beds are on the ground.
Oh, no.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with M. Put it in the oven for Morphle and me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with M. Put it in the oven for Morphle and me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with M. Put it in the oven for Morphle and me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with M. Put it in the oven for Morphle and me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with M. Put it in the oven for Morphle and me.
Oh no.
What's wrong?
My bus broke down. How am I gonna bring everyone to their work today?
But I have to be at the police station. They can't do without me. Oh, no! I have to go to the zoo. Who is going to feed the animals? And I have to go to my ice cream truck. Without me, there is no ice cream. Oh.
to a bus so we can help them. Yeah, let's bring them to their work. Oh no! Morphle, jump so we can dodge the lady on the street.
Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
Thank you and goodbye.
You're welcome, Police Officer Freeze. Now, we only have to bring the ice cream man back to his ice cream truck. Whoa, what's happening?
Oh, no! Now I can never get to my ice cream truck.
Morphle, try to get out of the beam. Morphle, morph rockets onto the bus.
Bellissimo! You saved us, Morphle.
Yay, we did it, Morphle. Everyone got to their work on time. Uh-oh, we're late for school.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink makes a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink makes a rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow colors. Do you know all of the rainbow colors? Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow colors. Do you know all of the rainbow colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink makes a rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow colors. Do you know all of the rainbow colors? Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow colors. Do you know all of the rainbow colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink makes a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink makes a rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow colors. Do you know all of your rainbow colors? Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow colors. Now you know all of the rainbow colors.
Let's play a special game of hide and seek with clues. Mila and Morphle, you're it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Morphle. Where should we look first?
They could be anywhere in the city. Here's your first clue.
There are a lot of trees in the park. Let's go, Morphle. Look, Morphle. Papa Jungle is definitely here. Now here. Morphle, morph into a monkey. Papa Jungle is really good at hiding. Yeah! Oh, look, Morphle. Found you! We found Papa Jungle.
Great! Here's your next clue.
Cloud! ARPO must be hiding in the sky. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. We will never find ARPO in all these clouds. We should blow all of them away. Yeah! Found you!
That was quick. Here is your third clue.
Water! Morphle, morph into a submarine. Orphle must be behind that rock. Found you! Daddy, we found all the magic pets. Daddy? Daddy, hide! A clue! That sunshade is in the backyard.
You found me too. Well done.
Yummy!
Oh no! They stole my sticky mobile!
scary look. Perfect!
What is going on? Why is everybody wearing weird outfits?
I love your costumes. You two look exactly like real pirates. You should compete in the Halloween costume contest.
Come on, Pirate Phil!
And the winners are the guys in these incredible pirate costumes. Allow me to give you this award.
What? Give? You are not giving us this award. We are stealing this award.
Oh no, they're real pirates. Amazing!
Come, Morphle, let's go trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treat! That sure is a scary costume, don't you think, Morphle?
Morphle knows it.
We need to get back at them by stealing all of their candy. But how? That Morphle creature isn't afraid of anything.
I don't think anyone is home. Morphle, are you all right?
Morphle scared of ghosts.
The look on your face is priceless. Halloween is my favorite holiday because I love to scare children.
No real ghost?
No, Morphle, don't worry. Ghosts don't exist.
So, the only thing Morphle is scared of are ghosts, eh? Come on, Phil. Let's go.
Look, Morphle, thanks to you, we've collected lots of candy.
Boo, I'm a scary ghost.
Ghost! Morphle, come back!
Your red blob can't protect you now. All your candy belongs to us.
Morphle, it's me. Don't be scared. We need your help, Morphle. The pirates took everyone's candy.
Ghost is scary.
Boo.
Morphle, ghosts aren't real. Look.
Ghost no real?
Nope. You don't have to be afraid, Morphle.
Hi.
Ghost no real.
Oh, no!
You did it, Morphle! You conquered your fears!
Go snow you.
He took all the candy we stole. Pirate Phil, Morphle didn't take your candy? I didn't steal this candy, Pirate Maurice. I got it because some parents liked my pirate costume. It's called trick-or-treating. What? Give me some candy too, Pirate Phil. No, Pirate Maurice. I trick-or-treated for this myself. Get your own candy.
Oh, come on, Pirate Phil. Just a wee bit of candy. Just one piece.
Don't care.
Thank you for helping me decorate the garden, Mila and Morphle. Now we only need the birthday cake. Can you pick up the cake for me, please?
Morphle, morph into a race car! Look, Morphle! There is the bakery!
Hi, Mila and Morphle. You must be here for Daddy's birthday cake.
Yeah!
What flavors do you want the cake to be? Chocolate!
And strawberries!
Come on in.
The cake is beautiful!
Wow!
It's Orphle!
Orphle, take a cake! Oh no!
Morphle, morph into a horse! Uh-oh!
Huh? A birthday cake?
Oh no! Morph into a robot! I think we lost Orphle. Oh no! Morph into a motorcycle! It's Orphle again!
Not in my city. Slow down!
We lost him, Morphle.
Morphle steal a cake.
Oh,
We're sorry, Daddy.
oh, thank you, Orphle. Do you promise not to steal anything again, Orphle?
I know what will cheer you up.
My invention is done. Come and see. I've invented a youth serum, which I will demonstrate on my assistant.
Oh, that's so cute. Puppy!
Tumbling test tubes, Morphle. I don't know how to take care of a baby. Oh dear. Morphle, you have to take her to her daddy while I make an antidote. Oh, good grief.
Morphle? Mila, no cry. Mila hungry? Hi, Mila.
Whoa, hey, Morphle. Boy, am I glad to see you. I had the strangest dream. I dreamed that I was a baby. Isn't that silly? Huh?
celebrate the National Day of Dinosaurs, Professor Rashid has helped the city to organize a special Dinosaur Race!
Wow, that's so cool! Let's join too, Morphle. Morph into a T-Rex.
But wait! We have another contestant! The winner of the race gets this beautiful award! Is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's compete too, Yorn.
Yeah! Yeah!
Now, let's win this race.
Cheating to win!
No fair!
Look, ladies and gentlemen! We have a winner!
Stealing dinosaurs, huh? Not in my city.
Congratulations to the winners!
We didn't win, Morphle, but at least we have a fair winner.
Mila and Morphle fight. It's the weekend. Mila and Morphle are having fun playing in the living room. Mila is playing with her crayons. She is drawing an awesome robot. Morphle is busy on the other side of the room. He's built a huge tower of blocks. Daddy calls Mila and Morphle to the kitchen. He's made lemonade. Oh no! Daddy accidentally stepped on Mila's drawing and knocked over Morphle's tower. When they come back in the room, they see the mess. Morphle thinks Mila knocked over his tower. Mila is upset about her drawing. She thinks Morphle stepped on it and ruined it. Daddy has no idea what is going on. He suggests Mila and Morphle go and play outside. Morphle and Mila head outside, but they are still not happy with each other. Later, Morphle is making a stick building. He seems to have forgotten about their fight. Mila is playing with her toys. Morphle really wants to join her. Mila loves playing with Morphle. She hands him one of her toys. They zoom around the yard, playing hero and villain. They don't seem mad anymore. Daddy decides to clean up Mila's toy box, but uh-oh, he stepped on Morphle's sticks. As they come back round the garden, Mila notices her toy box is gone. She thinks Morphle took it. And Morphle is upset that his sticks are broken. He is so angry, he's morphed into a storm cloud. Later, Mila and Morphle aren't talking to each other. Mila sits alone drawing. But she's lonely. She misses Morphle. Morphle tries playing by himself, but it's no good. He misses Mila too. Daddy calls them both outside and explains that he accidentally caused the problems. He knocked over their toys, broke the sticks, and moved the toy box. Mila and Morphle apologized to each other. It was all a big mix-up. They're both so glad to not be mad at each other anymore. They forgive Daddy for being clumsy and give him a big hug. Everyone's happy now.